Hey guys, yesterday I had made a video showing you guys how to upgrade the RIPSAW on the new Darkest Shore Zombies map. I showed you guys that you just pick up 2 parts to build the RIPSAW on a crafting table, then you can upgrade it by feeding zombie souls to it, and then when you pick it up, it actually does more than just melee, it will fire those blades. So that's how to take the RIPSAW from very basic to the upgraded version and actually change its functioning. And now there's a way to actually pack-a-punch this thing, so you can actually upgrade it again. And what's great about that is that now you can buy ammo for this thing, and it also increases its ammo capacity. And big shout out to Just Another UK Gamer and Daily Gamer Nick for this. I'll have both of their YouTube channels down in the description. So after you build the RIPSAW and then upgrade it, yeah, you can put it in the pack-a-punch machine, but you need to get the pack-a-punch machine accessible. So you have to pick up 3 fuses that will allow you to pull the pack-a-punch up on an elevator. The 3 fuses are located inside of these mine shafts, and you have to ride the mine carts to pick them up. And it's really simple, it's not complicated at all. You basically have to ride the minecart from the beach, then to the submarine pen, and then to the pack-a-punch area. So you're just trying to ride the minecart from each location to the other locations, and it only takes 3 times of riding this to pick up all 3. I do have it color coded, and basically the strand means the beach, the grabbin means pack-a-punch, and the U-boat is the submarine pen area. And these are the same colors that are on the signs as well. Just beware of the bomber zombies down here. Make sure you have ammo before you start riding these minecarts. And once you get the last fuse, you're going to head up to the grabbin area and then just walk straight across. You're going to put 3 fuses in a console that's right in front of this elevator. Once you do that, the pack-a-punch machine is going to raise up. You'll have access to that. The next step for being able to actually put the RIPSAW in the pack-a-punch machine and upgrade it again requires a special fuse. The first step in finding this fuse is locating these Enigma machines that are around the map and looking at the numbers that are on them. So far, 5 Enigma machines have been located, and one of them is right here underneath these boards on this walkway right here. And I would advise to have a sniper because some of these locations can be difficult to see. You can see that one of the dials is present and the other 5 are missing. So what you want to do is just take note of what number that is and what position that is on that dial. That 2 is in the 5th position, so you just, make a note of that. I've made a little chart here for you guys. Here's another location for one of the Enigma machines. The 0 was in the 2nd position, so I just marked that down. A 3rd Enigma machine will be found by the power, and just go prone and you can see it right here. And in the 3rd position is the number 1 on the dial. Another location is up by the flak cannon, and just go up these stairs right here and look down. Now this is going to be the 5 that's kind of on the front of it. Some people might get confused and use the number 3 up top, but it's not. You need to look at the front of the machine. The last known location of an Enigma machine is out this window right here by this giant cannon that you use for the main Easter egg. And I had shot a bullet at it, but it was a negative sign and you couldn't see it because of, I shot it. Once you get these numbers, they're going to be the coordinates for this cannon that you're going to fire. And the 001 is going to be the coordinate for the vertical elevation. And just use these up and down arrows to get it set to whatever it's set on the Enigma machines. The last 3 dials are going to be the horizontal coordinate for this cannon, and we were missing one, and we can't find that one. It may not even be on the map. It might be just, part of the puzzle that you have to figure out. But if you put it to plus 25 or negative 25 and then fire it, one of those will work. So I set it to the negative 25. I fired the cannon. I didn't see the fuse pop up. So I set it to the positive 25 and fired the cannon, and the fuse did show up behind me right on that little ledge below the cannon. There are some other steps that you have to do before you're able to fire this cannon. You have to be able to load it up. And to do that, you have to shoot a head off of a hanging body, then take that head down to the submarine area. There's going to be a body hanging on a door. You place the head on that body. Then there's 2 batteries on either side that you have to feed zombie souls to. And then you have to survive a lockdown event in that submarine area. Once you survive that, you open the doors to activate an artillery zombie that is brought up on this apparatus, and you escort him to this cannon area where he puts a battery in the corner that you have to, again, feed zombie souls to. And what that does is it actually charges up the cannon and gives it ammo. I'm not showing those steps, I'm just briefly letting you know what has to be done. And I'm assuming that most people might know how to do those steps already because they are a part of the main Easter egg. tag, and that is going to be in a separate video. This video is focused, you know, just on upgrading this and getting it into the Pack-a-Punch machine. So once you correctly fire the cannon and that fuse shows up, you pick it up, and then you have access to Pack-a-Punch this RIPSAW. You don't have to put that fuse anywhere. You're done at that point. It increased the ammo amount to 38 shots, and you can refill this ammo, which is great because there are some Easter egg steps that require a lot of saw blades. I do have a mod on that gives me extra ammo, so if you go and Pack-a-Punch this and you don't have that much ammo, then it's possible that my mod is giving me extra. That's something I haven't tested yet, and I do want to test, you know, does it make it stronger if you Pack-a-Punch it? It probably just gives it more ammo and allows you to buy ammo. That's my guess. This thing is pretty strong already, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.